Got brother Paul all Vikinged out. Go Vikes.
From the left coast, west coast, it's the best coast. Let's do this shit.
Alright.
It's New Year's Eve, so happy New Year's Eve day. What we're gonna do for New Year's Eve day is we're gonna do up some pork chops, some potatoes, some petite medley potatoes. On the pork, we're gonna do adobo, carne or pastor, pork it up. We're gonna put it on the grill. Now I got some gravy. It's roasted turkey gravy, but we don't care. Because we're gonna dress it up with some hot peppers, some really hot peppers, and some garlic. So we're gonna dress up that gravy nice. So right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give this pork a couple hours to soak up some seasoning.
I'm so hungry. How long will it take?
Let it sit at room temperature with the seasoning on it. I got the water boiling in the new cookware. So let's get the petite medley potatoes in there. All of it.
I have a friend who would love brother Paul.
Pre-soak on the charcoal. A little extra because it's gonna soak in and evaporate. That cut even. And we'll just kind of let her soak for about 5 minutes. Then we'll put the brother Paul likes to soak it with the lighter fluid, wait about 5 minutes, and then come back and soak it again. On. I've been known to burn the buildings down, so we do it nice and safe out here. And not burn them down, but light them on fire. That's when I'm drunk. I'm not drunk today. We should be safe, hopefully. With a little oil in it, we'll pop her in here. Very low. Kind of saute that stuff up before adding the gravy. Alright, let's put these suckers on.
they come. I'm gonna put those two last ones on. Nice crisscross jar marks on there. Alright, we got these all softened up a little bit. So we're gonna add the gravy. Get that warming up. You know, this pepper doesn't come out really well. I want to get the right pepper. Big old whole pepper kernel. So we'll let that meat cool for a second and then we're ready to serve it up, I think. Alright, let's plate them up. Get some potatoes. Some for Brother Paul. Gravy. And grab one of these pieces of meat here. Bone. Moist, didn't get dried out. Sauce is nice. It's got a nice char on it. Try a potato in the gravy, huh? Tastes like garlic. That's what we wanted. So, if you haven't done so yet, will you please subscribe? It helps me out a lot. Hit the like button. And remember that you do you, and I'll do me. Peace out. And Happy New Year. And Happy New Year.